In a bold move that has sent shockwaves through international markets, President Donald Trump has unveiled a series of aggressive tariffs targeting the United States' largest trading partners, Canada, Mexico, and China. This assertive strategy, aimed at reinforcing his Make America Great Again agenda, has ignited fierce debates and raised concerns about potential global trade wars. Sweeping tariffs ignite trade tensions. On March 12th, the Trump administration imposed a hefty 25% tariff on all U.S. steel and aluminum imports, affecting major suppliers like Canada, Brazil, and Mexico. The president further escalated tensions by announcing an additional 25% tariff on imports from Canada and Mexico, citing the need to combat drug trafficking and illegal immigration. China was not spared, facing an extra 10% tariff on its products, intensifying fears of a full-blown trade war. Global markets react to tariff turmoil. The financial markets have responded with notable volatility. The S&P 500 index, after enduring a 4-week losing streak, managed a modest 0.1% gain on Friday, closing the week up by 0.5%. However, this slight uptick belies the underlying instability as investors grapple with the implications of the new tariffs. Major corporations like FedEx, Nike, and Leonard have reported significant stock declines, attributing losses to concerns over tariffs, inflation, and waning consumer confidence. Consumer confidence plummets amid economic uncertainty. The ripple effects of the tariff announcements have permeated consumer sentiment. The University of Michigan's latest consumer confidence survey revealed a sharp 10.5% decline from February, falling short of the anticipated 63.1 forecast. This downturn reflects growing apprehension among consumers about the economy's direction, with inflation expectations rising to 4.9%, the highest since November 2022. Major corporations pledge massive U.S. investments. In the midst of these economic tremors, several corporate giants have announced substantial investments in the U.S., signaling confidence in the domestic market. Johnson Johnson, the healthcare titan, has committed over $55 billion to U.S. operations over the next 4 years, marking a 25% increase compared to the previous 4 years. This investment includes the construction of a cutting-edge biologics manufacturing facility in North Carolina. SoftBank CEO Masayoshi Son has pledged a staggering $100 billion investment, aiming to create 100,000 jobs focused on artificial intelligence and related infrastructure. United Arab Emirates. Following discussions with President Trump, the UAE has committed to a 10-year, $1.4 trillion agreement with the U.S., targeting sectors like AI infrastructure, semiconductors, energy, and manufacturing. Taiwan's semiconductor manufacturing company, TSMC, in response to tariff threats, TSMC plans to invest an additional $100 billion into its U.S. operations, including new chip fabrication plants and research centers in Phoenix, Arizona. Apple, the tech giant, has announced a $500 billion investment in U.S. operations, underscoring its commitment to domestic growth. Nvidia, the chipmaker, has revealed plans to invest hundreds of billions of dollars over the next 4 years in U.S.-based manufacturing, bolstering the nation's technological infrastructure. Comparing presidential legacies on manufacturing. The Trump administration's aggressive stance contrasts with the previous administration's achievements. As of October 2024, over 700,000 new manufacturing jobs were created, and private manufacturing investments exceeded $910 billion, bolstered by legislation like the Bipartisan Infrastructure Law, CHIPS and Science Act, CSA, and Inflation Reduction Act, IRA. The Guardian. Expert opinions on the economic landscape. Industry leaders have weighed in on the current economic climate. Jensen Huang, CEO of Nvidia. Having the support of an administration that prioritizes the success of this industry and addresses energy challenges is a phenomenal outcome for AI in the U.S. Joaquin Duato, Chair and CEO of Johnson Johnson. Our increased U.S. investment begins with the groundbreaking of a high-tech facility in North Carolina, which will not only add U.S.-based jobs, but also manufacture cutting-edge medicine for patients in America and around the world. The United States stands at a pivotal juncture, with aggressive trade policies reshaping its economic landscape. While the long-term effects remain uncertain, the nation's resilience and adaptability will be crucial in navigating these turbulent times. Stay informed about the latest developments in U.S. economic policies and their global impact. Subscribe to our channel for in-depth analyses, expert opinions, and real-time updates. Don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button now.